today I'm just going to show you a couple of tips and tricks on replacing the outer tie rod end. Now, before you remove the tie rod end, you need to loosen your adjusting nut. To remove the tie rod end out of the hub assembly, you need a hammer. Now you want to hit the hammer right on this cast steel here. This will loosen the tie rod end to make sure you can access and remove it. Now when removing your tie rod end, you want to count how many turns it is off. So that's 1 turn, 2, 3. So that's 12.5 turns. Now what I always do is just write that with the end just up inside your wheel arch. Doing this and counting your turns will help you get the tie rod into nearly the same position. So, then you want to replace your lower nut, tighten that up, replace it with a split pin. Now after replacing any tie rod ends or any steering components, you will always need to get a wheel alignment. So talk to your local mechanic or any suspension specialist in the area and they'll be able to do this for you. All these parts are available at onlineautoparts.com.au.